In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Affirm on Amazon. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This process can be done either through the mobile app or the Affirm website as I'm doing here on my computer. Regardless of which option you pick, the process is the same, it's just going to be visually different. So, all you have to do is to either open up the app or go to the website, and using the search bar at the top of the screen, as you can see over here, look for Amazon. It should be immediately verified, as you can see, and all you have to do is select Amazon and then click Shop Now. You will be redirected to the Amazon website. It's very important that you are redirected to Amazon.com through Affirm. Doing it that way will make it so you will have the Affirm payment method when you go to the checkout. All you have to do now in the Amazon webpage you were redirected to is to browse through the items, add whatever you want to buy to your shopping cart, and once you are satisfied, proceed to checkout. In order to use Affirm as a payment method, you will need at least $50 worth of stuff in your cart during the checkout. So, after you go to proceed to checkout, in the second step, choose a payment method, you will be able to see payment plans and pay over time with Affirm. Simply take this option and then select Use this payment method. You will then be able to review the items in shipping, continue to application, and as long as you are redirected here through the Affirm website, you simply have to confirm your Amazon account and log into Affirm. You will be able to choose the best installments for you and pay using Affirm. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Affirm on Amazon. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.